December 27, 2024, police rushed to the scene of a high-speed crash in Justice, Illinois. But, to everyone's shock, the man behind the wheel wasn't just anyone. He was a police chief. And what happened next would show exactly why many believed he should have never gotten that badge in the first place.
Shut up or I'll put you out of your misery right now. Right. My wife's got MS.
Okay.
She's in a wheelchair. We're on our way to go have dinner with our daughter. She's already down. She's probably turned around.
All right.
I know he was going too fast. He hit that. He's coming around. Now, this car's total out now.
Yeah.
25, go ahead.
Can I grab a driver's license from you, insurance card? So you were just in front of this guy. You were just going like normal.
Right in back of this man. Here.
All right.
Here, going normal.
Cool. All right.
3931, I'll be with 933.
I don't think I can get in there. At least I got traffic diversion. He's got a little bit of blood hanging from the head. Other than that, I'm trying to keep him calm.
Yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, sir. Did you see what happened?
Yes, this guy, sorry, my English is not good, but I try to explain to you.
Sure.
This guy coming from other way.
The guy in the Buick.
Yeah, and he the fence, peace sometime, and he this car.
525, okay.
This happened, just for...
Yeah. Was this guy in the black car speeding or something?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I just grab a driver's license from you? Thank you. What's the phone number for here, sir?
My phone
Yes,
number?
please.
3117.
All right.
What? Just relax. Relax, Larry, okay? I don't know! What the f***? This is not needed to me! What the f*** is all about?
Larry, just relax. Come on. Just relax. Look at me. You're going to be okay. You're going to be okay, okay? You'll be okay.
Alert my insurance so that they could tow this. He's gonna have to go back to my house.
Yeah, to be perfectly honest with you, your insurance will cover it no matter what.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna probably call my own tow company just to get everything cleared off. 525 Justice. I'm gonna need tows for two.
Larry, just relax right now.
If I call them, I just want to...
I mean, it'll just take me a little bit. So, can I talk to her real quick? Hey, miss, can I just grab a driver's license from you? Are you injured or anything? Your head?
I called our daughter, they were ahead of us.
Sure.
And they're supposed to come back. Is this guy drunk or what?
He might have a head injury, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I can't get in
The way
there.
he's rattling himself.
Yeah. $525 Justice. Can I get a couple other minutes for traffic control? If you could find it in a minute, I'd appreciate it.
Are you okay?
My wife.
Okay, how is he? Okay, that's no problem.
Let me go!
I saw the fire department pull out.
Yeah, they probably
Are
can't
they
get
on
through.
Open
Come
Up
on!
Central?
Let me
No.
go!
They're coming.
I know.
What's his name?
His name's Larry Klimek.
Come on!
He works for the
Let
Village of
me
Bridgeview. I don't know what department, but its last name's on the back of the license
Yeah.
plate.
Gotcha.
He's got a hand in you. That's why he's yelling and screaming like that. Even
Can
though
I
the
talk to you
airbag's
or
deployed.
anything?
But
Come
other
on!
than that, I don't know if he's been drinking or.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
Okay, here
I
we
don't-
go!
I don't
Come
surprise
on!
Yeah, he came and hit that center meeting.
525.
Come
We
on!
were all sitting
Let
in line
me
for
go
traffic.
now!
Behind him or something?
No, I was see the red car.
At 9 Justice?
How many units do you need for traffic control?
Sorry.
At least one.
The red car, that's mine.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in traffic and he comes down this way, hits this thing, and then the whole car just
Hey,
flips
come
over
on!
like this.
What the f***?
Hey,
I
Larry,
told you
relax,
go!
just relax, will ya?
You know what?
Just relax. I was gonna try to tell him
525
to come
Justice.
down
Can you
the
do a
wrong
sound
way.
X for a
Come
Larry?
down
Come
Larry, relax. Because they're not going to be able to come down this way. They're going to have to come down this way the wrong way.
Let me go!
Larry, just relax.
It's not let me
Larry,
go!
Larry, just relax. It's really hard to tell somebody with a head injury to relax.
Fucking let me
gotcha.
go!
I work for a bridge.
Goddamn this, let's go!
Larry, just relax. Will
Let's
ya?
go!
Larry.
Let me go! No, it's not doing fine. It's not let me go!
Larry, you're doing fine. Just relax, okay? This one of your...
Come on! Let
that's
me
fine.
go!
So
It's
I
not
put the barrel,
doing it.
so I'm rerouting traffic that way.
Yeah.
So I don't have to
Come
stand there.
on! What the
The to go down this way, and that's not going to happen, bro.
Come on!
Larry, you better not come.
Come on!
He hit this thing. He was
Come on! You!
eastbound, and he plowed right in and started. Right in the
What
front
the
of
You! Let's go! Let me go!
You have the keys, Smith?
He's got him on his lap.
Come on!
I can't tell if it's an arc. I can't see if he's got an injury or what.
What the let me go!
He's got blood on his face. I don't know if that was from probably the airbag.
Yeah, maybe.
You! It's not let me
Come down.
go! Let's go! You!
I got all these cars here.
Come on!
Larry, relax. Relax, will ya?
Don't that back at
Can't tell if he's drunk. He's got a head injury. What the deal is? That's what he's saying. I mean, I have no.
you! Come on! You! Let's go! Let me go! Come on! You! Come on! You!
Dude, calm
Let's
down.
Go!
Calm down, calm
Let
down.
Me go!
Okay, all right, calm down.
That make
Dude,
me
okay,
go!
calm down. Relax.
You know what? I'm the.
Okay.
You know what? I'm the
Calm
bridge
Okay,
you.
okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, come on. No, come on.
I don't know, too. What? I don't know. You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do. But let me go. Come on. Come on. Let me
Claiming he
go.
does.
8600 block 91st Street, Edward, John,
Come on.
48020, EJ, 48020.
Come on. What the?
Obviously, I can't get in there. I don't know if he's got a head injury. I don't know
He's a
what.
village employee, and his name's Larry Klimek. Okay. So, and he's got blood hanging off his. Okay. And he's swearing and all that. He
Crazy.
Up that way.
He hit the center. He hit the center median. He was going this way and hit the center median. The vehicle flipped over. So I'm trying to keep him calm. He's swearing and all that stuff. Yeah, well, there's a lady in that car that might have an injury too.
No,
Is your car in park, sir?
No, you guys are awesome. You guys are good. You guys are good. Okay, let me
7, you can go in the Walgreens lot.
You guys are good. Let me go through. You guys are good. All right, thank you very much.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, Climax.
Let me go very much.
Hey, man, 7 on the central.
Come on.
I didn't have my knife
You know
on.
what? No, you guys are good.
No patient contact, no reviews. We're trying to head back to headquarters.
You got a hearing problem? Oh, I don't know. No, I'm not the deaf.
Larry, don't give these guys a hard time. Don't give them a hard time, all right?
You guys are great. You
Don't
guys
give
are
them.
great.
Yeah, don't give them a hard time.
No, you guys are great.
Yeah.
Thank you very
That's
much.
good.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, man.
I think it might be the airbag.
Please appreciate you.
No, you're not. You're retired, man.
His name is Larry. Swim it?
That's not Wally.
Wally, it's Wally. It is Wally.
Oh, it is? Okay. What the heck does he
Hey,
do?
why are you getting so
Doesn't.
upset?
He's retired.
It's an airbag. You were in an
Well, he's got a
accident.
bridge view.
I didn't put that there.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
You were in a car
he
accident.
works.
I've heard that name before, but I don't know what department he's in.
Stop!
Wally, Wally, just,
Don't come
Wally.
back, me.
is there no way to shut that car off? Jeez.
Don't let him back up in me.
Oh, somebody got
They're not. They're getting the cot out. We're going to put you on a stretcher.
That's what I was trying to do. I was going to try going to
They're not answering any of my
passenger
questions.
side, but I couldn't. The way he is now, I don't even know. Put it
Maybe.
plow and hit
So
somebody.
then, yeah, just in case.
Where the he come from?
Who?
Him. What the he come
He's
from?
here to help you. He's taking you
No.
to the hospital.
No. He was with death.
Wally.
Oh, that's the airbag. You already asked me.
Who the put that in there?
What's the make of your car?
Not me.
I think it's a
Obviously not
Buick.
me.
I think it's a Buick.
Wally, you have to get out of the car.
Tom, get the out of here.
No, you're going in there.
Obviously,
So
get the out of
you want to
here.
walk over there, or do you want us to bring the stretcher
Get
over?
out of the car. You ready? Come on, buddy. You gotta get out.
Gotta get out.
It's Woody. What's
All right,
that?
Wally, right here. Let's go.
What the is this? Wally, come on, buddy. You know what? Come on, get the out of here. Let me get a seatbelt cover. Oh, what are you doing back here? You know what? What are you doing back here, my Wally, come on.
Come on. You gotta come out of the car.
You got a seatbelt cutter?
I just pulled it off.
Oh, it's off?
I undid it. So it should be
Come on,
good.
Wally, let's go.
You're gonna have to hop out of the car, man.
Come on, let's go. Wally, come on, bud. Come on, you know what? I want the even place in Bridgeview. No, you're not. Why you do this to me? No, you're not. Come on.
All right, you gotta hop out of the car.
You know what? Wally, let's go. Wally, come on. Why you doing this to
Wally,
what?
You're embarrassing yourself. Come
What?
Okay.
You're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
You know what? Don't do that to my f***er.
Wally, let's go.
You know, leave me alone.
If you want to keep...
You know what?
Hey.
Get him the f*** out of here.
If you want to keep any
What?
part of your career left, get out of the car nice. Now. If you want to have a job still tomorrow, get out of the car nice.
You know what?
Let's
Get,
go.
You know what? Leave
Wally.
me alone.
Let's go.
You have to hop
You know
out of
what?
the car, Wally.
Get him the out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
No, get him out of here. No.
Wally, let's go.
No,
Stop fighting.
No,
Stop fighting.
Ow! Stop
Wally,
doing
stop.
that to me.
Wally.
No, stop doing that to me.
Wally, out of the car, my man.
I
Come
know,
on.
but stop
go.
doing that to me.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
Stop doing that to Ow!
Let's go, Wally.
No!
Wally, stop resisting. Let's go.
Stop! Ow!
Stop resisting, Wally. Come on. Wally, let's go. All right, you sleep.
Ow!
Wally, let's
Come
go.
on, guys.
Come on, let's
You
go.
guys hurt me a lot.
We're trying to pull you out.
No, you guys hurt me.
We're not playing games no more. Let's
I know, but don't hurt me.
All right,
Not
then get out.
hurting you. Get out.
I know, but
We don't want to
please
have to do this.
don't hurt me.
We're not hurting you, Wally.
I
We're
know.
trying to get you
No,
out of
you
the car.
did.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, come on. No, you guys are my.
I know, then let's go.
Then
I
let's
know,
go.
but don't do that. Stop.
Wally, let's
Take
go.
your hands off the
Take your
steering
hands
Okay,
off the
come on,
wheel.
guys.
Let's
I'm
go.
sorry.
Let's-
No, come
Wally,
on.
come on.
Ow! Stop.
Wally,
No.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
That arm.
Peel it.
Guys.
Okay, we're out. Okay, we're out.
Oh, guys.
That's all we wanted, man. Just get you
I'm
out of the car.
sorry. Guys, I'm sorry.
We're just gonna get checked out. You get All right. checked out.
Guys, I'm sorry. You just hurt me. No,
We
you
asked you to
guys-
get out of the car how many times, right?
What?
How many times we asked you to get out of the car?
You guys hurt me.
All right, well, get up now.
Hurt yourself. Okay, hop up. Be a grown adult now.
Get up. You guys hurt me. I'm sorry.
If I give you a hand
No,
up.
I'm sorry.
Your nuts right there.
Get up.
Come on.
I'm sorry, guys. Come
What are
on,
you sorry for?
You my best buddies.
How much you had to drink tonight, Wally?
No, not today. No, not today.
Okay, how much you had to drink the last hour?
793 87th Avenue.
Oh, let go of me.
Ow!
Ow, what?
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, get up.
I'm sorry.
Where's your ID at, man? Yeah.
Oh my God,
that.
guys, you hurt me.
Probably the best idea.
No,
Yeah.
you guys hurt me.
I'm just gonna pick him up.
You hurt yourself.
Just put him on the stretcher. Alright, Sophia. Sophia, remember, next one, then you can make it.
Come on.
Okay. Wait. Oh my God. Ow! Come on, guys.
Checking for that 32.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Okay, come on. I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Stop. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, come on, guys. You're my awesome guy. Ow!
Hey, stop.
No, he just.
Yeah, because you're resisting, not that.
I know.
I know.
Oh my God. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. Because you're my oh. That's my car, obviously. Come on, guys. Oh, you know what? Come on. Ow! You're hurting me.
Well then, resisting.
What?
Stop
No, you're hurting me.
Oh well, quit resisting.
Ow!
Hey, you want to do who's?
Ow! You hurt.
So can you do the crash?
Sorry,
and then
guys.
You have to follow the hospital.
Okay, you know what?
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Just do the crash.
Okay, come on, guys.
You can do the
Warning
crash.
to motorists.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
you know what?
I gotta go grab it.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to. Whoa! That's my
I
car.
don't have one though. The other one was the price.
Oh yeah, just
Klemek looked dazed and worn out, insisting he wasn't drunk, even as the evidence said otherwise. He refused a blood test at the hospital, leaving officers with little doubt about what was really going on. In the end, Walter Klemek was charged with DUI and resisting arrest, both misdemeanors. His case is still pending in Cook County Court. If you enjoy raw and unfiltered content such as this, like, subscribe, and turn on post notification.